Here's our must 5 no tips for installing your sprinklers. Heat up the end of your funny pipe so then it'll slip on its fitting easier and a more secure fit. Here's a tool that we found from the plumber. It works awesome for cutting out your funny pipe. I'll leave a link down below. Hold that funny pipe over and tape it off. It'll keep it sealed for your next step, which is turning on your sprinklers and blowing out the very end of each system. Get all the rock and mud and gunk out of all of them. Tighten all your funny pipe fittings off with just any ordinary hand tool. Number 4, get yourself a good mainline filter. Put a ball valve on the end of that. The 5th step that we have right here is how to do your drains. This is important because every low spot that you have, you're gonna have to put a drain in it. Thanks for watching. If you like this, check out our channel to see some more videos just like this.